Hi everyone, welcome to the Bazel tutorial. This is the lesson number 3, and in today's lesson we're going to go over how to write tests for our application. Okay, so let's go over what we have so far. We have this file main.cc that creates a hello object and then calls the say hi on it. I changed the implementation a little bit from our previous video where now say hi actually returns the string instead of actually outputting, um, just so that we can test it. And then, so hello class looks like this. This is the interface, and this is the implementation. Basically, just return the string called hello Bazel, right? So to run it, we can just do this. Boom, we get our hello Bazel. So everything is expected, right? But as in every serious application, we should have a tests. So let's write one. Let's say hello test.cc. Let's include our hello.h, and then let's just do simple. Ideally, you're probably gonna use like Boost test or Google test, but in this case, we're just gonna use the main. Nothing fancy. So let's say hello. We create an object. Then we say hello. Call say hi on it, and let's compare it with something obnoxious. I don't know. Annie. There you go. We think that say hi will return Annie instead of hello Bazel. That's our expectation. Now gotta add the test target. So we say cc test. This is a special target in Bazel. So now we can say let's call it hello test. The name of the target, and the sources is that file that we just added, the actual test file. Hello test. Let's see. Okay. What else we need? We need the depths, right? Because we are depending on the hello library, so it's the same way as above in binary. Hello lib. That's it. I think we're good here. All right. So in order to run test, what we have to do is just say, like, it's very similar to how we did the Bazel run. What we have to do is just say Bazel test hello and our target, which we named it here, right? What do we name it? Hello test, right? Hello test. Boom. Wait, we have an issue. Missing input file. Oh, I typed yeah, I made a typo here, right? Our input file actually underscore, not the dash. Here we go. So test, right? That's it. Yeah. Here you go. See, it said that the one test failed. So we wrote this one test right here. Not here. So hello test. This is our test right here, right? Because we're comparing with Annie. That's why it fails. So let's fix it. Let's say hello Bazel and run test again. Boom, now it succeeds. That's how you write tests. I mean, again, you should probably use like a Google test or Boost test or something like that. Let me know if you guys want me to cover how to use those frameworks. Alright, thank you. Please like and subscribe the video.